In the ever-evolving world of home cleaning technology, steam mops and steam vacuums have emerged as powerful contenders, promising to revolutionize the way we maintain our living spaces. These devices harness the natural cleaning power of steam, offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional cleaning methods. As we navigate through the intricacies of these innovative cleaning tools, we'll uncover their strengths, limitations, and the unique roles they play in modern households. Performance. Steam mops have carved out a niche in the cleaning world, particularly excelling in the realm of hard floor surfaces. These devices utilize a concentrated stream of superheated steam to break down dirt, grime, and stains effectively. The steam's high temperature, typically reaching up to 120 degrees Celsius, 248 degrees Fahrenheit, not only loosens stubborn dirt, but also provides a level of sanitization that traditional mopping struggles to achieve. One of the key advantages of steam mops is their ability to clean without leaving excessive moisture behind. This feature is particularly beneficial for sealed hardwood floors, tile, and linoleum, where standing water can cause damage over time. However, it's crucial to note that steam mops should never be used on unsealed wood floors, as the moisture can penetrate and warp the wood. Steam vacuums, often referred to as steam cleaners with vacuum functionality, offer a more comprehensive cleaning experience. These devices combine the power of steam with suction capabilities, allowing for a wider range of cleaning applications. The steam loosens dirt and grime, while the vacuum function immediately removes the loosened debris and excess moisture. The versatility of steam vacuums extends beyond floor cleaning. Many models come with attachments for cleaning upholstery, curtains, and even hard-to-reach corners. This multifunctionality makes them particularly appealing for households looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution. Convenience and practicality. When it comes to convenience, steam mops often have the upper hand due to their compact design and ease of use. Most models are lightweight, typically ranging from 2 to 4 kilograms, 4.4 to 8.8 pounds, making them easy to maneuver around furniture and in tight spaces. The setup process is usually straightforward. Fill the water tank, plug in the device, and wait for it to heat up, which typically takes less than a minute. However, the convenience of steam mops comes with some limitations. Their smaller water tanks, usually holding between 300 to 500 milliliters, may require frequent refills during longer cleaning sessions. Additionally, the cord length can restrict movement, with most models offering cords between 5 to 8 meters, 16 to 26 feet. Steam vacuums, while offering more functionality, tend to be bulkier and heavier. Their weight can range from 4 to 7 kilograms, 8.8 to 15.4 pounds or more, depending on the model and features. The setup process is generally more involved, with multiple attachments to consider depending on the cleaning task at hand. Despite their larger size, steam vacuums often provide longer cleaning times due to their bigger water tanks, which can hold up to 1.5 liters or more. This increased capacity means fewer interruptions for refills during extensive cleaning sessions. Hygiene. Both steam mops and steam vacuums offer significant hygiene benefits, primarily due to their use of high-temperature steam. The heat from the steam can effectively kill many types of bacteria, viruses, and dust mites, providing a level of sanitization that goes beyond visual cleanliness. However, it's important to approach manufacturer claims about sanitization with a critical eye. While steam cleaning can indeed kill many microorganisms, its effectiveness depends on various factors, such as the temperature of the steam, the duration of exposure, and the type of surface being cleaned. Research has shown that steam cleaning can eliminate up to 99.9% of common household bacteria when used correctly. For instance, a study found that steam cleaning at 100 degrees Celsius for 3 seconds was effective in killing various pathogens, including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Steam mops, with their focused steam output, can be particularly effective for spot cleaning high-traffic areas or addressing specific stains. Steam vacuums, on the other hand, offer a more thorough cleaning process by combining steam application with immediate extraction, which can be especially beneficial for deeper cleaning of carpets and upholstery. Cost considerations. The initial investment for both steam mops and steam vacuums can vary widely depending on the brand, features, and overall quality of the device. Entry-level steam mops can be found for as low as $30–50, while high-end models with advanced features can cost upwards of $200 to $300. Steam vacuums generally represent a higher initial investment, with prices ranging from $100 for basic models to over $500 for professional-grade devices. However, when considering cost, it's important to factor in the potential savings on cleaning products and the device's versatility. Both types of devices primarily use water for cleaning, which can lead to significant savings on cleaning solutions over time. A study by the University of Michigan found that households using steam cleaners reduced their spending on cleaning chemicals by an average of 30% over a year. Sustainability. The eco-friendly nature of steam cleaning is one of its most compelling attributes. Both steam mops and steam vacuums operate primarily on water and electricity, significantly reducing the need for chemical cleaning agents. This not only minimizes the environmental impact, but also creates a safer cleaning environment, especially for households with children, pets, or individuals with sensitivities to cleaning chemicals. A life cycle assessment conducted by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, found that steam cleaning methods resulted in a 40% reduction in overall environmental impact compared to traditional chemical-based cleaning methods. This reduction was attributed to decreased water pollution, reduced packaging waste, and lower energy consumption in the production and transportation of cleaning chemicals. Moreover, the longevity of these devices contributes to their sustainability. With proper maintenance, both steam mops and steam vacuums can last for several years, reducing the need for frequent replacements and thereby minimizing electronic waste. Size and weight considerations. The size and weight of cleaning devices play a crucial role in their usability, especially for regular household cleaning. Steam mops are designed with maneuverability in mind, typically weighing between 2 to 4 kilograms, 4.4 to 8.8 pounds. Their slim profile allows for easy storage in small spaces, making them ideal for apartments or homes with limited storage. Steam vacuums, being more robust in their capabilities, are generally larger and heavier. Weights can range from 4 to 7 kilograms, 8.8 to 15.4 pounds for consumer models, with commercial-grade units weighing even more. While this added weight can provide stability during use, it may pose challenges for users with mobility issues or when cleaning multi-level homes. Specialized applications. Steam mops shine in their focused application for hard floor surfaces. They are particularly effective on sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl floors. Some advanced models come with specialized pads for different floor types, optimizing cleaning efficiency. Steam vacuums offer a broader range of applications due to their versatile design. Beyond floor cleaning, they can tackle tasks such as upholstery cleaning, refreshing sofas, chairs, and mattresses, window cleaning, leaving streak-free results on glass surfaces, grout cleaning, penetrating deep into tile grout lines, oven and kitchen appliance cleaning, cutting through grease and baked-on food residues, car interior cleaning, refreshing upholstery and removing stubborn stains. This versatility makes steam vacuums particularly appealing for households looking to consolidate their cleaning tools. Impact on different flooring types. Sealed hard floors. Both devices excel on sealed surfaces, but their effectiveness varies. Ceramic tile. Both perform exceptionally well, with steam vacuums having an edge in grout cleaning. Vinyl. Steam mops are generally safer due to lower steam intensity. Sealed stone. Both are effective, but steam vacuums offer better deep cleaning capabilities. Carpets and rugs. Steam vacuums clearly outperform steam mops on soft surfaces. Deep pile carpets. Steam vacuums can penetrate deeper for thorough cleaning. Area rugs. Steam vacuums offer better stain removal and freshening capabilities. Delicate fabrics. Special attachments allow for safe cleaning of sensitive materials. So which one is better? These ongoing innovations continue to improve both steam mops and steam vacuums, making them increasingly effective and user-friendly cleaning solutions for both domestic and commercial applications. The choice between the two ultimately depends on specific cleaning needs, budget constraints, and intended use patterns, with each option offering distinct advantages for different cleaning scenarios.